Wake up, wake up. It's starting.
Attention inmates. Look at your provided phones. Thank you. Let us start with your daily entertainment. We hope you enjoyed the meme of the day. Now, let's go over the rules again. We ask for your full attention.
Don't even blink now. Concentrate.
Rule number 1. Never lose your device. It is a tool. It is a necessity. It is life. If you lose it, you are alone in the darkness. Rule number 2. Don't try to communicate with anybody. Rule number 3. Always pay attention to the oncoming program. Rule number 4.
Don't let go of your device.
Rule number 5. At the end of the day, you must make sure your device is charged again. Just kneel and pray to it. It charges upon your soul. Thank you for your attention.
Phone started jumping, what a day. Swear to God I need it, now I can't afford to wait. I just had a fan hit me up from Kuwait. Told him this would happen and we not a minute late. Seen him down bad, now they tryna hate. Same ones try to hit me for the raise. Got a meal, now they coming with a blaze. Check the numbers fam, I swear I'm getting paid. I'm a Don just like the Perrier. It's one time when I'm looking at a face. On the low like I'm pushing up the bass. Told him come down and I'll meet him at a gate. Got a check and I bought myself a place.
Breakfast over. We hope all the necessary dopamine was able to be produced for now. Now please sit in the middle of the cell and silently worship your device. Do this for at least 3 hours. Do not forget, we are watching you.
You would have to worship it every day. I do it night and day. Just look at it. Concentrate on it. Yes? Sorry.
Apologies for the interruption, but we have a new passage of the Moral and Religious Codex to be read to you, as it is required of us to teach you all that is obligatory. The blue light hit the face of John. He lay depressed in his sacred bed. Then the Lord sent him another meme of a blessed character. John begged for forgiveness. His device battery was low. The Lord promised to take him into his kingdom, where no device ever went dead. Salvation was all that the mighty Lord could promise to the sinful man. The last passage has been modified to: Matthew hoped for one thing, to have all the time in the world to show his love towards his God. Fortunately, he was granted space and time for that very devotion. Even in darkness, he felt the light of the one above. All of our staff is truly delighted that we could be enlightened and could in turn enlighten yet again. Inmates, we are pleased that you will now have triple the godly devotion to your device after those beautiful paragraphs. For that reason, we will make an exception this time and leave you to worship your phone for the rest of the day. That's extravagantly good news, my friend. Good news. To worship. Oh, wait. I've got to say something. Please remember for tomorrow the program will be the same. Thank you for your attention.
Worship, 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 worship.